Hola, welcome to Learning Spanish for Kids Spanish lesson on the places of the world, Lugares del Mundo. Let's get started. Hey, look, there's Spain, España. I bet you can guess what this place is. Yes, the United States. Unidos Estados. Hey, I know that place. It's England, Inglaterra. Hey, if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button. This is a tricky one, but no, it's not the same. China in Spanish is China. Canada is also Canada in Spanish. This is Portugal. In Spanish, it's pronounced Portugal. Hey, if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button. Don't be stingy. Hit that like button. Hey, that's Mexico. And in Spanish, it's pronounced Mexico. This beautiful place is called Africa. Africa in Spanish is also Africa. This place is far. It's called Europe. And in Spanish, it's pronounced Europa. Wow, you've made it to the end. Thank you for joining Learning Spanish for Kids for another Spanish lesson, Places of the World, Lugares del Mundo. Please follow us on social media and show us your support. Or you can visit our website, book a class today, become a paid subscriber, or join our membership just to keep updated and receive discounts. See you next week. Adios.